March if I was on the calendar. Just y'all wasn't really saying much in October, no. But we're gonna go ahead and get Reb Creezy up here on this stage. Y'all make some noise for Reb Creezy.
Yes, sir.
I need y'all to make a little bit more noise than that. I need y'all to like scream to the top of y'all lungs. Yeah! I like that shit. Hell yeah. All right, you ready, Reb Creezy? He ready. All right, cool.
It is. Restoring the feeling, how y'all feeling?
Yeah.
Restoring the feeling, how y'all feeling?
Yeah.
Restoring the feeling, how y'all feeling? I can't hear this sound for some reason. I don't know. Restoring the feeling, how we feeling? There we go. I go by the name of Reb Creezy. That's R-E-B. Creezy.
Look at the backdrop.
Let's get it. We're gonna jump right into it for a minute. Y'all ready to party? How y'all feeling?
We good. We good. We good.
Feel me? Yeah. I wish I could have said she wanna party with Creezy. Yeah. She wanna party with 2, 3. Yeah. She wanna party with 2 and 3. Yeah. She wanna, hey. She wanna, hey. She wanna party, boy. Yeah. She wanna party, boy. Hey. Yeah. She wanna party, boy. Party, yeah, party. She wanna party, boy. We're starting feeling, let's party tonight, yeah. Party, boy. Got it in the room, she getting ready to lose the time that she got, yeah. Let's jump into it for real though. You feel me? That's just to wake y'all ass up, you feel me? Let's get it. Restoring the feeling, like I said, I go by the name of Reb Creezy. We just gonna run some fun shit, and I'm gonna get into the new shit in a minute. Just bear with me. Make some noise if you're having a great night. Yeah. Make some noise if you're winning right now. Yeah, I love to hear it. Let's get it. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Smoking that gas, I'm under pressure. Remember they hating, didn't believe my efforts. Dropped out of school but never got F's. Play by the rules, you can ask the ref. Ballin' like I'm Curry, better watch it. Now they looking lost, think they need some help. Niggas looking weak, think they need some. Living like smooth, call me young silk. I've been on the move, trying to take these trips, yeah. Trying to take these trips, staying on my pivot, I'm never gonna slip, yeah. I'm never gonna slip, you know how I move. Never plan to lose, I'ma get to that championship. Never gotta panic, cause this ain't Titanic and niggas ain't sinking this ship. Coming soon, about to get that new whip. Coming soon, about to get that new crib. Call up MTV, bringing back cribs. Gotta bring up the money, you dig. I've been ballin' alone, no assist. Living good, I'm just taking it in. They gon' hate cause they can't understand. Just a young nigga out trying to win. Restoring the feeling, make some noise. Make some noise if you're out here just winning, man. Just out here trying to live life and win, you feel me? Yeah. Hey. How many of y'all had a good day today? Despite the rain, despite the Cowboys, how many people had a good day today? There we go. And that's all it's about. Yeah. Hey, I gotta say, today was a good day. Yeah, I gotta say, today was a good day. Yeah, I gotta say, today was a good day. Restore the feeling, make some noise. Let's get active. Yeah, hey, yesterday gone, and then we get better. I'm pushing that pedal to metal. She wanna meet if I told her it's settled. Checking out that we can leave on forever. You know it's my pleasure to make a day. You get away, just today. Don't talk to shit, baby, y'all keep it safe. Y'all better days, you can be in the way, and I'm walking away like a pimp. Eat a lifestyle, came a long way from a shrimp. Ain't gotta say much cause I'm him. Every day ain't stressing, I'm blessed cause I'm here. I'm sitting with Queen, no dip. I'm for the scene like Christmas out here. I'm spending with her, but you can't go with him. Like in the game, you said no gym, and I'm winning and working no gym. Hey, I gotta say, yeah, today was a good day. Yeah, I gotta say, today was a good day. Yeah, I gotta say, today was a good day. Yeah, hey, yeah. Today was a. Restoring feeling, make some noise if y'all still rocking with me. So get into this new project. Ladies Love Creezy on the way. Y'all just stay tuned for the Creezy. We got singles out now. We got music out now. So we're gonna get into this first one. It's called Kick It. Out now. Y'all can find that everywhere. Yeah. Hey. Lady, kick in the shoes. Relax with me. Yeah. You ain't your friends. Come kick it with me. Yeah. Put up your purse. Tonight it's on me. Just pull up the shots, I roll up the weed. Yeah, check your messages, I just hit that address. You know what I like you in, put on that black dress. Fella got you needy, huh, it feel like magic. Girl, I know you love these vibes, I feel the passion. I told her, y'all know the word? Yeah. Hey, we can just kick it. Yeah, kick it with me. Yeah, little baby wanna keep it with me. Said she wanna keep it greasy. Just try to top out the whip though. Said she wanna feel this breeze. Pull up to the crib, loaded. No ring, but I keep that motion. In the mix, yeah, I keep that potion. Cartier on the wrist, no rolling. Said she like how I look when I'm in there. I be chilling in the clouds with them bags. Keep it loose, sweet, no zigzag. Shawty calling me, tryna kick back. Got the drink, got the vibe, we can relax. We can Netflix and chill, little Hulu and Dewey. Turn it in. Make some noise if y'all kicking it. How y'all feeling tonight? Restoring the feeling? Alright, so this next song, I love it. It's one of my favorites off the project. It's not out yet, y'all just bear with me. But it's familiar. Y'all get your groove on, dance. It's one of them ones, you feel me? So if y'all hear me rapping along, just ignore me, y'all vibe out. You feel me? Hey, yeah. Yeah.
My love for you, so sweet like candy blue. Make me want to tell the world about you. Do you ever dream about a love like us? My candy rain, baby. My candy rain, baby. My love. Do you? My candy rain, baby. My candy rain, baby. My candy rain, baby. My love. Do you? Dreamer. Oh my God. My candy rain. My candy rain, baby. Yeah. My love for you, so sweet like candy blue. Make me want to tell the world about you. Yeah, she'll go get her, got her on, she don't need no. My love for you don't get no clearer. Stay with me, don't get no realer. Stay with me, don't get no realer. Feel like drug, be your dealer. Feel like drug, baby, I can sliver.
Hold that real quick, G. Make some noise if y'all was rocking with that last joint. It's different, you feel me? I appreciate the love. I thank y'all, some dance. But if I can, please, can I get all the pretty girls to the front of the stage? I need all the pretty girls to the, hey, yeah. I need all the pretty girls over there. I need all the pretty girls. I need all the pretty girls over here, over here, over here, over here. Hey, yeah. I need all the pretty girls over here. I need all the pretty girls right here. I need all the pretty girls over here, over here, over here. Hey, I said all the pretty girls all around the world. Soon as she step out, she got them looking, got them staring. Fashion week with Daddy, baby girl looking like Paris. Different garments, different bag, and you can see the way she get. Got it from her mama, but her mama could still get it. Cute face, still waist, but I know she love her. She love her. Feel she never miss you, gotta love her from a distance. What I say, pretty girl. Hey, yeah, I need all the pretty girls over here. I need all the pretty girls. Yeah, I need all the pretty girls over here, over here, over here, over here. Yeah, I need all the pretty girls over here. I need all the pretty girls over here. I need all the pretty girls over here, over here, over here, over here. Hey, yeah, I need all the pretty girls over here. We're starting to feel it, make some noise. How y'all feeling? This next track is out only on Even. I'm doing something different with the releases right now. I'm trying to get people to buy the music again, you feel me? So I'm doing something different. This is out only on Even. If you would like to support, you can buy it right now. Or you can just wait till this drop. But we're gonna do an exclusive performance for y'all, just for y'all.
He told me about it before, but I haven't seen it yet.
Hey.
But I think like 100%.
Yeah. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, I said yeah. I said the way you loving me, call me Cool J. Said she wanna make a movie, put it on Blu-ray. That wet water boy, like I'm Bobby Boucher. Yeah, she was going off with that hey, yeah, you already know how it's going. I just keep it crazy on the daily and she loves it. She only do the tricks with me cause that's my little slutty. On the bed or on the floor, that's my little cutty buddy. Yeah, hey, I said the lady Love Creezy. Yeah, I said the lady Love Creezy. Yeah, I said the lady Love Creezy. Hey, yeah, I think the lady Love Creezy. Hey, I said the lady Love Creezy. Whoa, yeah, I think the lady Love Creezy. Yeah, I said the lady Love Creezy. Yeah, hey, huh? I think that lady love me. Said she wanna ride, take a flight out on the seas. Get her what she want, let her touch you with the crease. You know I hold it down, wanna ride with it, she top down. Roll it loud, through the city with some bees right now. Oh wow, oh wow. I think these ladies loving me right now. Let's go, hands up, hey. I said that lady love Creezy. I think the lady love Creezy. Yeah, I said that lady love Creezy. Yeah, I think the lady love Creezy. Yeah, said that lady love Creezy. Yeah, I think the lady love Creezy. Yeah, said that lady love Creezy. Yeah, I think that lady love Creezy. Hey. Like I said, man, that's coming out real soon. The song is actually out now if y'all want to go get that. But the project, Ladies Love Creezy, is coming very soon. Y'all just stay tuned, keep it crazy. I go by the name of Reb Creezy, R-E-B-C-R-E-E-Z-Y. If you want to chop it up, talk to me. I'm in the crowd mingling with y'all. Let's throw in a feeling, let's get it.